7 and 7 only.
200.
Yeah, your teeth to the cost.
200. 200. I don't play.
I go pay. No be 200. 200
I don't play.
I 200 naira.
That's 7 Camarado now. I don't give my money. I don't go. Tell you say you want to go. But I need to jump on him. Now I need to sell the money sent back. You don't pass 17. Wait. You can't have said. I want for you. And you want something. You want something. You want something. For cemetery.
So you know about that and you are asking again. Come and collect your money and you will die. I repeat, you will die.
See, I go. See, Jesus. See, goes
collect money. Come up for here. They tax me 200. But come, what for 200? Give this guy. You crazy. Come collect 200. All these bike people, they crazy. Oh my God. Drop me.
Okay, you want to for you? Where did they go now? Send me to the business now. Come give my money now. Give my money now.
Don't collect your money.
Okay, for cemetery.
You will die. I repeat, you will die. Oh, my, this is the work. Come collect money, I see you. All these bike men, I will deal with you for this area.
Okay, give me my money. Where they go?
Come collect your money.
I'm ready for that. Give me my money. Come on here. Which kind of say me that one?
You will die.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
I repeat, you will die.
Don't carry me play. I know. My fool, I used to drive you come here. I know they play with you.
Come collect
Give me my money now.
your money.
Go pay your money.
Thank you for watching that Funny Love Nation Entertainment Comedy video. See you on Monday and on Friday. Please, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, don't make me cry. Don't subscribe and share our video, okay? But see you on Monday and on Friday. But just subscribe. God will bless you. Book us for any kind of events with the number shown on the screen.